Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Settings immediately. Press Home on your Roku remote and move to Settings. Once there, look for Accessibility or Voice settings depending on your model. Make sure your remote has fresh batteries and the TV is powered and connected to the same network so voice features reflect current options. I'm starting you on the exact path so you don't waste time hunting menus. If you see a Voice tab, select it now. This is the first actionable step toward disabling voice commands. You should now be in the Voice or Voice Recognition screen. Select it. Once inside, toggle off the option labeled Enable Voice Commands, Voice Recognition, or similar. This stops the TV from processing spoken input. Make sure to confirm any on-screen prompts to save changes so the setting persists after a restart. If your remote has a dedicated mic button, disable its function here too. After you toggle off, wait a few seconds and then return to the main menu to validate the change. Finish by restarting your Roku TV to ensure changes apply across the system. Unplug for 10 seconds or use the restart option in settings. Once rebooted, test by pressing the mic button. If nothing happens, you're done. If voice commands still activate, make sure voice apps or skills aren't separately enabled and try disabling them. As a last resort, consider a factory reset after backing up preferences. If problems persist, check for system updates. Outdated software can cause settings to revert or not take effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.